What is up mga kapark? Not just mga kapark but mga ka-tourists. Now I will take you to this food adventure na not just Filipino will appreciate this kind of dish. I mean every Filipino can dig into this, but also Chinese has this type of inspired recipe or inspired food culture that even Chinese can also appreciate this dish. So lahat ng mga iconic Pares destination, buti na lang meron dito nag-iisa sa Binondo. Pares. If you notice na meron star anise din na nilalagay ang mga pares. And yung mga spices na yun is parang pang Taiwanese eh. So parang may pagka-Chinese nga talaga na influensya. And as for the foreigners, I will not always gonna take you to places that are always high-end. But we should also appreciate the level of the cuisine that presented here in Pares, in Lakay. Dito lang yan sa San Vicente Street. If you are already aware of the Chinese food in Ongpin, why not here in Escolta? Actually, nung uso pa yung Diwata Pares. That was months ago, noong April. After a few months later, noong October, sumikat to eh. October to September, sumikat din to. Hanggang dun pa sa oras yung sikat pa yung Pares eh. Parang back to Gen Z kasi na yung mga pagkain eh. Hindi yung pala Filipino. So I would say for the lechon Pares nila, affordable, delicious, oily nga lang, sa totoo, pakasalanan. Pero meron talagang Pares na mas hindi oily. Pero yung lechon nila, perfectly cooked, porky na porky yung flavor. Yung rice, dito ako namangha talaga sa rice. Kung yung Pares, mid lang para sa akin, but this rice, talagang lasang-lasa yung garlic tsaka yung alam mo, ordinary lang siya eh. Mapapaad ka talaga ng rice kasi malasa na yung rice eh. Garlicky and soy. You can taste the soy sauce in this rice. Well cooked. So kung nakita niyo yung Pares ko din, Pares review ko din nung nasa Sampaloc ako, tingnan niyo din. Kasi halos di naman nakakalayo eh. Pero best Pares daw yun yung Sampaloc.